What a day, what a day. 2-hour live stream today. Saw everything unfolding with the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting today. The announcement of the 25 basis points raise from the Fed, why they only announced it and raised it 25 basis points instead of the 50. It has to do with the banking crisis and the impact on crypto. So right now, crypto is down about 2%, give or take. Bitcoin's down about that. Ethereum's down. Other major ones are down. XRP down about 8% right now, kind of pulling back from that 47-ish cent high. But overall, crypto's down. And I think that this is really kind of a knee-jerk reaction to the uncertainty that came out of Chairman Powell's speech that he did today that I spent 2 hours covering today. So you're welcome to go watch that live stream if you want. A lot of good stuff in there. But ultimately, here's what it is. The banking crisis is the reason that the Fed only raised the interest rate 25 basis points, 0.25. If we hadn't had the banking crisis, we would have got a 50 basis point raise. Pretty much that's what he said. Number one. Number two, we have the banking crisis that will continue to unfold. And the fear and the uncertainty that creates just in the average mind of the person in just kind of Main Street America, right? That uncertainty is what is underpinning the market move down. By the way, the Dow 30 down 530 points. 530, yeah. And the NASDAQ down about 194. So stocks getting pummeled. Crypto, not so much. Crypto, again, hedge against inflation, kind of hedge against, on that other side of the street. Crypto's definitely not moving down. I expect that Bitcoin may touch down and move into the 24,000 range. That might be the bottom. Short term, profit taking things, movement down. But long term, I think it's going to bounce back because I think we're at the beginning of a bull run coming in the fairly near future, and that's what some people that I really trust and respect are telling me as well. So where does this leave us? It leaves us in a volatile period right now in short term, while we kind of wait it out to see how the landscape will look in the next week or two. Now, the 25 basis point raise was kind of considered good news by crypto and stocks. It was the uncertainty and kind of what some things that Powell said in his speech that are entering into the markets, why Bitcoin is moving down, it's why stocks move down so dramatic, is that number one, he said that there was not going to be any rate cuts coming this year. I think that the stock market, the financial markets were really looking for Chairman Powell to say, hey, we may even have some rate cuts instead of interest rate increases later in 23. And he said there will be no rate cuts. That's the reason you see stocks moving down so much today. Number one. Number two, there will be more rate hikes coming probably in 23. We don't know how many. We know that they're probably going to be slowing down because of the banking crisis and the lingering effects of it, which ultimately means we're going to be fighting inflation longer to get us to that 2% number. Right now we're at 6%. The goal is to get to 2% inflation. It's a long way to go. So you're looking at a multi-year deal. Does that mean it's all doom and gloom? No, that's not the point. But it just means we're going to be here a while. It means that it's just going to be a little bit more of an uphill battle. We're going to have that uncertainty in the market, all that kind of stuff. So crazy day. Stocks not faring well. Crypto faring pretty well right now. Yes, I know it's down a little bit, but not nearly what it could have been. And I think it's definitely doing a lot better than the financial markets, stocks, etc. So what I got for you. Go make some money. I'll see you. Bye.